All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who stands isolated within the party for taking a firm pro-India stance, has now hit back at Kerala Congress, asking who are they who are calling for blocking him from party events in the state. Now, this response comes after Congress leaders said Tharoor is not one of them. Listen in.
Seems to me that the people saying this also have to have a basis for saying this. Who are they? What is their party position? I'd like to know. Then we'll see what the answers would be.
No, why they have said so, sir? What do you think?
Ask them. See, don't ask me to explain other people's behavior. You talk to them about their behavior. I can only talk about my own behavior. I've explained my behavior and I'll leave it there.
Are you not worried about him?
Not at all. Not at all.
We are now joined by Niyamika with more details. Niyamika, well, that's the counter coming in from Shashi Tharoor. He asks, who are these people who are making such comments? And also saying, I cannot explain other people's behavior.
Well, yes, indeed, we have seen that how there is a continuous rift which is going on within Kerala Congress, as many of the leaders within the Congress party itself have raised a question upon Shashi Tharoor's recent remarks, where he had basically praised the government of India, and specifically when he was talking about Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam terror attack. We have seen that how he had written certain articles as well, and just after that only it was Mr. K. Muralidharan who has given a controversial statement by saying that he won't be attending any such party events. He is not going to be invited till the time he will change his stance regarding the Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor. As we have seen in the past as well, that many of the Congress leaders within the Kerala state unit had raised an objection that he is not following the party line. He is praising the government of India. He is praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is not right at all, because he should also remember that he is a part of the Congress party, and he should also follow what the party leadership has decided. So that is the only reason why many of these leaders had raised an objection in the past as well. But recently when Rahul Gandhi...
Niyamika, I'm just interrupting you there. Stay on with us. Let's cut